Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing files and confirming your tool. This is critical because different apps handle encryption differently. Open 7-Zip or your system utility and highlight the items you want in one archive. Once done, choose Add to Archive or Compress to open options. Make sure the archive format supports password encryption, zip or 7Z. You pick a strong password now because changing it later is hard. Write it down securely or use a password manager so you don't lose access. Next, you configure encryption and other archive options. In the dialog, select a format that offers AES 256. 7Z is ideal, zip with AES is acceptable. Then type the password twice to confirm accuracy, and if the tool has an encrypt file names checkbox, enable it so metadata is protected. Once chosen, set compression level to balance size versus speed, and pick split volumes only if you need multiple files. Make sure to double-check the password field before you create the archive. Finish by creating the encrypted archive and then verify it immediately. Open the new zip or 7Z and attempt extraction. You must enter the password to confirm encryption worked. Once done, test on another device or user account to ensure portability and that file names were encrypted if selected. If you can't open it, don't panic. Try the original tool to recreate the archive using the correct password. As a troubleshooting tip, if extraction fails, confirm you used AES-compatible software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.